Watcha! Alright, fish on! Fish on, guys! On the top water. Hartman adventures at them, man. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on again, people? Yeah, man, Dre again with Hartman adventures. Out here on another early morning fishing adventure. It is just about 5 AM right now. It's probably maybe 5:15, somewhere about there. But it's not a lot later than 5 AM right now. I just got to this location. Definitely gonna be trying some lures today. Only traveled with one rod and a couple of lures. This is my Handin Magic L Fast. Well, it's Handin Magic L Heavy Fast Action. This is a brand new setup. I've never used this setup before. This is a KastKing Sharky III, and this is a 3000 with some 20-pound Hi-Vis braid on it. That's Spiderwire braid. You guys know I love Spiderwire already. Yeah. So that's some 20-pound Spiderwire Hi-Vis. Look how beautiful this is. Whew. Absolutely stunning. Did take me a while to decide on which of these reels to pair with this rod. I decided to go with the KastKing Sharky. One, because it's a little bit lighter, but it's also very durable. It's a fully sealed reel. There's a video that I actually watched where somebody was doing a stress test on it, and that video is the video that actually sold me on this reel. So yeah, I was very impressed with how it coped with the stress test. So I decided to go with this reel. It's pretty light, feel very balanced. Wow, look at the sunrise out there. Listen to the drag on this, guys. Listen. Wow. Right, first cast with the new setup. Guys, every time I go out with a new setup, I always catch something. Every single time I go out with a new setup, I catch something. So hopefully the luck not change today. Yeah, man, that first cast felt really good. And it's pitching these small baits a mile out. Oh yeah. Saw something jump in there. Oh, come on! Dropped it. Oh, dropped both of them. All the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all. Right, first fish on, guys. Camera wasn't rolling at all. The small jack on the top water. He's really small still, so go and put him back. But yeah, brought my ducks pan him, man. Like me dad said earlier, every time I come out with a new setup, I always catch something. So yeah, put on the top water lure. First cast, me cast out with it. Didn't have the camera rolling though. First cast, me cast out with the top water. Hook up something. Nice little bar jack. Figured that I needed to use something that would cause a little bit of disturbance on the surface, cause the water down here a little bit flat. There he is. Try to release him. There he goes. Whoa, look at that. Alright, fish on! Fish on, guys, on the top water. Oh, dropped it right there. Wow, dropped it right there, man. Oops, think I did a bad thing just now. Do you think I made a wind knot go on the line a while ago? Yep, I can see it. That was my mistake why we got a wind knot. Oh man. That was a poor cast, man. Right, think that's it for this session down here. I'm gonna have to try to get rid of this wind knot right now. That was my fault why I got a wind knot that. Oh man, that was not a good cast a while ago. So heading back to the car right now. See if I can get this wind knot out. Drop him again, man. It's a good one, that, you know. Oh boy, I'm drop him again. Then hook you too dull, man. Then hook you one sharpen. I'm not bite for today again, you know, because he motor burn him, you know. Yeah. One nice one, that, you know. Them hook you really need for sharp, man. I drop too much fish. Enough fish me drop from morning, you know, man. Watcha! Fish on, my boy! One nice jack, you know. Right, I'm a footing come bite, you know. Yeah! Nice bar jack! One nice bar jack, man. Trigger gone in our hole, you know. Nice jack, man. Fish on, guys. Nice one. Right, I'm a footing come bite. Listen to the drag on that reel, guys. Listen to the drag. Wow, sounds beautiful. Look at this bar jack. Watcha! Let go, man. Look at that, guys. Very nice bar jack. Didn't bring my stringer with me, so I have to go walking back to the car, get my stringer. Very nice bar jack, you know. That was a very nice one. Really nice catch. Out on the flats here today again. Woo! How did you guys like that? Tell me when I think about the drag on the reel here, guys. Tell me when I think about the drag. This drag sounds fantastic. So far I'm loving this setup. Absolutely loving it. See him there, guys? Very nice bar jack on a jack magnet strike again, you know. Jack magnet strike again. Beautiful. Yeah, man. On a new setup as well. Absolutely beautiful. Just go back I car, bleed out the fish and put him in a cooler. Take up my pliers and take up my stringer this time, so if I catch anything else, don't really need to go back to the cooler. That first jack that I caught, I was reeling in the lure, and when the lure got close enough where I could see the lure, I noticed that the jack was following. I noticed that the jack was following the lure, but it wasn't striking it. So I just reel it in a little bit closer to me and just stop the lure before the jack can actually see me. And as soon as I stop the lure, he hit the lure right on my foot. Oops. Come here. One more there, you know. Come here, man. Another jack. Another jack. Hey, they can't pass the lure here, you know, guys. Come here, man. Stop, flash. Stop. Good, sir. Respect. Then can't pass the little lure here, you know, guys. Real jack magnet. No. Put him on the stringer first. Get another one, you know. Put him on the stringer here first. There he is, guys. Rinse him off so you guys can see him. See him there? Them little jack are sweet for Escovitch. Huh? Yeah, man. Then they're on the flat, yeah, you know. They're out here on the flat, man. And I see him type of bar jack again, you know. Yeah, man, they can't see this lure here and pass it. No, sir. There he is, guys. Another bar jack. Nice size for fry up. Nice little size for fry up. Yeah, call this the end to today's session. It has been a fun session today, absolutely fun. Thoroughly enjoyed it this morning. Yeah. About to head home now because I'm getting hungry, and I'm also feeling the heat, you know. Yeah man, the sun is out. Really hot today. So try call it a day right now. But before I go, I want to say thank you to all of you guys for the continued support. Yeah man, you guys have been supporting Hartman Adventures for the longest while. All the newcomers, yeah man, welcome to you guys as well, and thanks for supporting Hartman Adventures. You know, just come out sometime and come do a little bit of what we enjoy. This is just my little downtime activity. One of them I actually really love. So yeah, big up to you guys. Shout out to a couple of people. Sophie Lofi Adventures, big up yourself, Sophie Lofi. Over there and check out our channel, guys. Really cool channel, some awesome content. Big up Fishing with Nico over there in New York. Yeah man, big up yourself, Nico. Big up New Look at Lures. Yeah, big up yourself, New Look at Lures. Really cool virgin. Also go over there and check out his channel as well. Does some awesome striped bass fishing and stuff like that. So yeah man, go check him out. He also does build lures. He's built a sun flea lure and he's been creating havoc for this striped bass season, trust me. So big up yourself, New Look at Lures. I want to say big up to Jalil. Yeah man, Jalil and him brother overseas a study. They are in college. Jalil actually got to meet your dad recently. Big up Mr. Hewitt. Big up Mr. Hewitt and his wife. So big up yourself, Jalil, and your brother. Hear that you guys always watching. Always see you guys comment as well. So big up yourself, Jalil, and Mr. Hewitt and his wife. Also big up to Lisa. Lisa is always watching the videos. Lisa over there in the US, always watching the videos, always on the lives. Big up to Josh and Laura. Yeah man, great people. If you guys are over there in the US, go check out Skyline Tattoo Studio. Yeah man, Josh will hook you up real good with some cool tattoos and stuff like that. Yeah, big up Jamaica Shore Fishing, big up Jamaica Adventures. Yeah man, you guys always a support Hartman. Chef Life, big up yourself. Artel, yeah man, big up yourself, Artel. Over there in the States as well. Yeah, Caswell over there in Canada. Big up yourself, Caswell. Miss Joanne over there in Scotland. Yeah, big up yourself, Miss Joanne. Trust me, I can't really call everybody's name right now. I want to say big up to each and every single person who has been watching Hartman Adventures. I know this outro kind of a little bit long, but trust me, I have to say big up to you guys. If I don't call your name, it's not because I forget you, but trust me, you guys have been tremendous to me and my family so far. Venture for adventure. Yo, big up yourself, bro. Awesome bridging. Yeah man, big up yourself, Venture for adventure. You know, Tasmati Fishing, big up yourself. Yeah man, hopefully we can link up one at a time, you know. But yeah, also big up to Jamaican anglers. He's been going through a tough period recently, so keep strong, my brother. Big up yourself. Don't know when we're going to see you out again, but hopefully sometime in the near future. Surf and rock fishing Barbados, extreme fishers, general. Yeah man, big up on yourself, man. Trust me, you guys enough support for Hartman Adventures. So yeah, I'm about to head in now still, so thanks again for tuning in, guys, and let me know what you think about the new setup. Let me know what you think about the new setup today. It's been absolutely fun. You can still see that I didn't even take off the plastic off the handle today. It's Sharky KastKing Sharky 3000 with Spiderwire easy braid. That's 20-pound Spiderwire easy braid, and the rod is what you call it again, Handin Magic L. It's a 7 foot 6 inches 7 foot 6 inches heavy, fast action. Yeah, absolutely enjoy using it today. You guys will definitely be seeing more of it on the channel, but for the first session it's been absolutely fun. So yeah, thanks again for tuning in, guys. Let me know what you think about the setup in the comment section. Yeah man, appreciate all of you guys, and catch you guys in the next adventure. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.